Ikinya ria mutongoria wa bururi ria gubunja ndundu yake ya ministers rionekete gutongorio ni atongoria ikiro ngurani. Atongoria makanitha makiuga riu president yari na kanya ga kwamura andu aria marendwo utungata-ini wa muingi. Muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Redeem Gospel Kenya John BANKOSKY Kitonga makiaria na andiki a mohoro mwena wa Nyahururu igongona-ini ria kwamura John Kariuki gutuika muthikabu wa kanitha uyu mwena uyu wa Nyahururu. Atongoria yani matongoretie President William Ruto ni undu wa gwitikira guthikiriria mateta ma mbeu njethi.
We see a president that listens to the people. We see a president that is exercising his role as the leader of this nation to be concerned with the plight of the mwananchi on the ground. So we are supporting what he has done, and we are also thanking the Gen Z to be able that they have been able to raise their voices, and we have listened and we have heard.
Mendekithitie ndundu ya ministers ya Ruto kwamura makorwo ni andu mari na wigiririki winyihia waragania na merutire gukura Kenya mathina-ini maria magomeire bururi.
We want a bipartisan approach whereby people are vetted well and they are able to go through the parliamentary process so that we can get the best leaders who have a track record for development.
Acagure andu matari na maroro maungumania ona akicagura ririkane andu ethi tondu ni tuonaga kaingi ni kuri na gucokia andu aria maturite mothio maria matene. Koguo riu ni rihoya ritu na nitukwenda kumucokeria ngatho muno o ringi ni tondu wa giko kiu arekire.
Atongoria yani macakaite cieko cia unyamu cia uragani iria ikoretwo ikioneka guku bururi-ini makiuga thirikari iri na gibarua gia guthuthuria andu aria maragera ngero ici cia magigi.
It is the young people that will take over from the older ones. Transition is very important. When our young people are dying left, right and center, it also hurts us. And we pray that this spirit of death will end in our nation. We want our young people to be given the full rights and to be able to exercise their political views without fear or condemnation of any kind.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ni njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa WIRA.